Banks are supposed to be a source of financial help for their depositors, but in today's world, that rarely happens. Without perfect credit and a large income, banks don't want anything to do with you. Bitkingdom is a membership website where participants can exchange financial aid. We're a decentralized community for financial assistance that uses the decentralized currency of Bitcoin to provide that assistance. The idea is today you help someone, and tomorrow someone will help you. In the conventional banking system, a person can only withdraw the amount of money in their own bank account. Say John has $500 in the bank. He can't simply take out $650 from the bank, even though the bank has Lucy's $3,000 and Brandon's $5,000, which would cover John's withdrawal amount. The bank can loan out up to 9 times all the funds deposited there to anyone, and the bank profits from the interest. If the bank can take Lucy's, Brandon's, and more of its clients' money and give it to John as a loan, why can't John simply ask Lucy or Brandon for financial aid? Yes, John can ask, but Lucy and Brandon will likely say no, even if they know him. And John probably doesn't know who has extra money that could accommodate his needs anyway. Even if Lucy has $3,000 that she won't use for the next couple of months, she's unlikely to give it to John, because John can't guarantee that he'll pay the money back when Lucy needs it. That's what Bitkingdom is for. If Lucy helps John with $150, John doesn't have to promise to pay Lucy back. Because on Bitkingdom, whenever you provide help to someone today, you have the crowd guarantee that you can rely on them whenever you need financial help in the future. So anytime Lucy needs financial help after she's helped John, she can request it and the system will assign a financial helper to Lucy. It could be John, or Brandon, or any of the millions of the Bitkingdom community members. Bitkingdom is not a bank or a company that takes deposits. Bitkingdom is simply a platform where participants can exchange financial help directly. So, if you provide help to someone else, whenever you need financial help, millions of Bitkingdom community members will offer you the help you need, with no requirement for you to pay it back.
Most people have a lot more free money than they keep on hand. They may have $500 in their wallets, but $10,000 of free money sitting in a bank account. When you deposit $10,000 in your bank, it only keeps 10% or $1,000 actually in the bank. The other 90% goes into investments, and the primary investment is loans to other bank depositors. This is called fractional reserve banking. So if 10 people each have $10,000 in savings, that's $90,000 that the bank has available to loan out. Of course, the interest money earned goes into the bank's pockets. Since the banks only keep 10% of the deposits on hand, if everyone decided to withdraw all of their money at once, the bank would collapse. Trust keeps this system working. People trust that the banks will have their money when they need it. And banks understand that only in a worst-case scenario would everyone come for their money all at once. Bitkingdom also requires the trust of the community. Except with Bitkingdom, you get rewarded for providing the loan capital, unlike with the banks, who might give you a fraction of a percent on your deposits if you're lucky. For any amount of Bitcoin you provide as help, the system increases your right to get help by 1% per day until you request that help. So if you provide 10 Bitcoin to the system, you can request help for up to 12 Bitcoin. 120% after 20 days. The longer you keep your Bitcoin deposited, the more you can request. You're helping others by not requesting your own help sooner. Bottom line, you can earn 30% per month with Bitkingdom. Bitkingdom is the pipeline that will supply Bitcoin to whoever opens the tap. 100 years ago, clean water was a concern when traveling. But now, water pipelines make clean water a given almost anywhere we go. Bitkingdom is developing the pipeline for the fair distribution of money. So tomorrow, no one will have to worry about the money they need ever again. We need our community to